Please settle down fast. Sit erect. Close your eyes. We'll start with 3 rounds of Omkara. Inhale deeply. Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Yoga Ganpati Mula Mantra. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Sachidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha.
Namaste everyone, Suprabhatam. Today we are going to learn the third shloka. All of you have received the PPT? PDF form? Good. So I have to practice seeing that PPT. Okay, so once after me with eyes opened and then 5 times with eyes closed. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Eyes closed. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Pariprashnena sevaya. 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 Entire line. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Pariprashnena sevaya. Eyes closed. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Pariprashnena sevaya. 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 Upadekshyanti te jnanam. Upadekshyanti te jnanam. Eyes closed. Upadekshyanti te jnanam. 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 Jnaninastattvadarshinah. Jnaninastattvadarshinah. Eyes closed. Jnaninastattvadarshinah. 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 Second line. Upadekshyanti te jnanam. Jnaninastattvadarshinah. Eyes closed. Upadekshyanti te jnanam. ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः
उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः
उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते
ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः।
Entire shloka. तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः।
तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः।
तद्विद्धि
प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः।
तद्विद्धि
प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः।
तद्विद्धि
प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः।
तद्विद्धि
प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः।
Very good. Now we'll revise from shloka number 1. So revision will be the first line you chant once with seeing if required. If not required, don't see. But second time definitely chant it without seeing. So one line twice we will repeat. Okay? Together. Not Dhyana shloka, the first shloka. Arjuna Uvacha. Next one. Together. Aho vatamahat papam कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयम् अहो बत महत्
पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयम्
यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन
हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः।
Entire shloka together twice without seeing you try. Okay, with eyes closed. Aho batamahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam yadrajya sukhalobhena hantum swajanamudyataah. Aho
batamahat papam कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयम् यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः।
Good. Same way, second shloka. Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Together. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakrittamah. Api chedasi
पापेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः पापकृत्तमः
सर्वं ज्ञानप्लवेनैव वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि सर्वं
ज्ञानप्लवेनैव वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि।
Entire shloka. अपि चेदसि पापेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः पापकृत्तमः सर्वं ज्ञानप्लवेनैव वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि. Third shloka together twice. Entire shloka. तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः तद्
विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः.
Good. We'll see the meaning of the shloka. Before that, second shloka once again. Second shloka, Abhichedasi. Here, Sarvebhyah Papa Krittamaha. So the easy way we explain that the sound will be similar to F. But be very careful in Sanskritam, there is no letter as Fa. We don't say Phalam. We say Phalam, Pha. So it is similar to F but not F letter actually. The sound will be like as you are expelling air from your mouth and immediately closing your lips. So it sounds like F but it is not the letter F. It is like Sarvebhyah, Bhyah. You expel the air and close your mouth immediately. So it is similar to F, we explain in that way, but don't take it wrongly as F is a letter in Sanskritam. There is no Fa, there is Pa, Pa, Pa. I wanted to clarify this. Now the third shloka, Tad Vidhi. So this shloka is now talking about that how the self-knowledge has to be acquired. In the previous shloka, Bhagavan has given Arjuna the Mahaushadham of all the problems that we face in our life. The Mahaushadham, the medicine is self-knowledge. Now how to acquire that self-knowledge, that is told in this shloka. So this shloka is saying that self-knowledge is such a subject matter which is not available in any other available books. Only scriptures are there which talks about this. So Shastram, the scripture is one important requirement to attain self-knowledge. Like if you want to see your own face, how much ever you try to roll your eyes here and there, the eyes directly can never see your face. You can only trouble your eyes. So what is the method? You have to take the help of the mirror, an external mirror, which will help you to see your own face. Similarly, scriptures are the mirror which will help you to know self-knowledge. Now, scripture alone also is not sufficient. There is something more required. Like the mirror, if you are holding wrongly, like the back side front, then even if you are holding the mirror, you will not be able to see your face. So appropriately you have to hold the mirror, somebody has to guide you. Similarly, scripture has to be handled properly, or else not only that the knowledge will not come, you can even end up having wrong knowledge. So there is the role of Guru. That is told in the second line. Jnaninaha Tattvadarshinaha. Tattvadarshinaha means the person, the Guru who has knowledge of I am Brahman. The intimate knowledge is there for him. And Jnaninaha means he has the way of communicating that knowledge to others also. That means the tradition. So if there is someone who is Jnani but has the knowledge but is not from a parampara, has not learned from his guru, then his guru, like that parampara is not followed, that kind of a person, that Jnani can be inspiring Jnani, inspiring teacher, but not teaching teacher. So we have to be very cautious. It has to come from a tradition and the Guru should have that intimate knowledge of I am Brahman. Now what is the requirement for the students? Tad Vidhi. May you know this knowledge by having the following qualifications. Two are talked here. One is Jignyasa, intense desire for having knowledge, because the person knows this self-knowledge alone can give me remedy from all the pains and sufferings of life. That commitment is there, conviction is there, therefore intense desire is there to get the self-knowledge. And second is Vinaya, humility. Humility is essential requirement in a student's part, or else what will happen if the patram in which you are pouring milk, if it is not appropriate, what will happen? The milk will get spoiled. Or else second, if there are holes, how much ever milk you pour, the vessel will always remain empty. So the patram has to have the required qualification, Jignyasa and Vinaya. Vinaya, humility is something mental condition. How it can be expressed physically? that is told pranipatena, by saluting the teacher, by doing namaskara to the teacher. That is the physical expression of humility, that I don't have any arrogance, that I know everything. Why should I go to somebody and learn? I have read several books, I have seen YouTube videos, I do not require any teacher. That type of arrogance is not there, that is expressed physically by doing namaskara. Pariprashnena, by asking appropriate questions. That shows the jignyasa, intense desire for learning. And then sevaya, by serving the teacher. This service to the teacher has two benefits. One, whatever impurities we have, that will be slowly diluted, because whenever you are going to learn intensely, you will not have other resources to purify your mind. Like Pancha Mahayagnya we know, but that time and availability is not there. So only way is by serving the teacher, you try to purify the mind. One type of service. And the second benefit is that it creates a rapport between the teacher and the student, which is very, very required for learning this kind of intense knowledge. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to share a joy and wonderful immense achievement by my friends from third year BNYS, Akshata and Aishwarya Rathod. They have participated in Karnataka Kala Parishad Rangoli competition and they have secured first place and they have brought the glory to our college. I would like to welcome them on the dais and I request the dignitaries on the dais to give them the award and felicitate. Karnataka Kala Parishad is the organization collaborated with different art platforms. They organize this competition every year where thousands of people from every corner of Karnataka with different cultures come and participate. With those different and hundreds of people, it's our friends from our college have secured the first place and brought the glory. And it's great that they have received the award from Jija Hari Singh, who was the first women IPS officer from Karnataka. Really great achievement. It's their love, hard work and love towards the culture have not only brought them this victory but also inspired us. Let's give this space for heart and hobby because it matters. Have a good day. Thank you.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः